A very good morning. Today I am here to tell you about the community helpers. So who are these community helpers? How are they useful for us? So I am going to tell you about this community helpers through a story. Okay, so firstly, community helpers are the people who live in our community and help for us in our daily lives, who help for us in our daily life. Like community helpers can be our plumbers, carpenters, or tailors, or a traffic police, teachers, doctors, everybody who work for the people and for our well-being. Okay, so they all stay in our community itself to help us. So let me tell you about these community helpers in a very easy and a simple way through a story. Okay, so once there lived a uncle and auntie named Raghuram uncle and Geeta auntie. So this Raghuram uncle was a farmer. Now who is this farmer? Farmer is a person who grows crops for us, who grows vegetables for us, who grows fruits, vegetables, rice, grains, pulses, all these things. So where do we get all these things from? From farmers. Then from farmers it comes to retailers, shops, and from shop we go and buy this. We are not directly buying it from the farmer, but the person who grows all these things are farmers. So today we have our two farmer friends of this Raghuram uncle, that is farmer Kritika and farmer Hitarian. Let's give them a big round of applause for their service.
Hi friends, my name is Kritika. I am studying in Motu class in the Abhyas Pansari. Do you know who I am? I am a farmer. Farmers are important community helpers of society. I am growing vegetable fruit for all. I have farm animal also, cow and sheep and goat and fishes. And I supply milk and curd and paneer and meat and fishes. The supplicants and supermarket persons buy these fruits and vegetables from me. I need water to grow my plants easily, and their needs very important for me. And I happy when come on time. And I request to all plant the trees and don't cut trees. And save our environment. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hitarian. I am studying Monty in Abhyas Montessori School. Hello everyone. I am farmer. Farmer is one of the community helper. Farmer is backbone of our society. He copes with rice, vegetables, fruits, etc.
Very hard. No farmer.
He wrote
No farmer.
no farmer, no food. No food, no life. Soldiers protect the country. Farmers feed the country. Very hard working and free. Don't waste food and water. Respect farmer. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Okay, so you have seen the farmer. You know Geeta auntie was a teacher. In the school. Now who is the teacher? You all must be knowing who is a teacher, right? The teacher is a person who teaches us all the good manners and shows us the path to the success. So today our teachers are cute teachers, that is teacher Lochan and teacher Mrunalini. They are very strict and very sweet also. So let's welcome our teachers.
And my name is Lochan. I am a teacher. Teachers give us knowledge. They help us to read and write. We should respect teachers. I will send you alphabet sounds. A sounds A. B as my arm. As my arm. A. B sounds Ba. Balls are bouncing. Ba ba ba. C sounds Ka. Caterpillar coughing. Ka ka ka. D sounds Da. Dolls are dancing. Da da da. Okay, children. Teachers are pillars of the future. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Moranalini. I am in teacher.
I teach you
Do first
prayer.
prayer. Shuklam Bharadram Vishnu Shishvarnam Chaturabhujam Prasannavarnam Daye Sarva Vignopashantiye Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
I will teach you everything.
I will teach you ABC. A sound A. B sound Ba ba ba. C sound Ka ka ka. D sound Da da da.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Now this Raghuram uncle and Geeta auntie, every day they used to buy milk from our milkman Vishwajit. They used to buy milk from our milkman Vishwajit. He gives the milk a very good quality milk where he doesn't mix water at all. He gives a very good quality milk. So let's meet our milkman Vishwajit.
I am Vishwajit, your milkman, and happy cows.
My cows.
My cows are happy. Happy cows gives healthy milk.
Camera bar space. Pen.
And milk makes us strong. And milk sweets are yummy. All of you drink milk daily to become a Dhoni. Thank you to become a Superman.
So you all met the friends, Raghuram uncle, former friends, and you met Geeta auntie's teacher friends, and you saw who gives milks to them every day, right? Raghuram uncle and Geeta auntie had a dream of building a big house for them. They had a dream of building a big house for themselves. But how do they build? They cannot build it by themselves. They cannot bring the bricks and build it. So whom should they contact to build the house? They contact the mason. Or a safety construction worker. Okay. So today we have a very famous mason in our community, that is Shri Varchas. He does the quality work and his buildings are in excellent quality. He has got a very good creativity in constructing the buildings and it's so wonderful. Let's meet our mason over here, that is Shri Varchas.
Hi friends, my name is Sivarchas. I am studying in Montu in Abia school. I am construction worker. This is my safety helmet. This is my jacket. This is my all construction set. This is crane. This is cement mixer.
This is crane. I'm build a big house. Bye.
Alright, so now Srivachas, the mason Srivachas, completed the house, completed such a big beautiful house for auntie and uncle. But still the house was not looking beautiful. Something was missing there. So what is missing? Yes, because the house construction is done, but the painting was not yet over. The painting was not yet over. So immediately they went and contacted the famous painter in our community, that is painter Grithik. Let's see how our painter is going to paint this Raghuram uncle's house. Okay, let's see. Come on.
Friends, I am a painter, Grithik, community helper. I paint this building beautiful, neatly, colorful. Use paint, ladder, paint brush, roller, etc. Grithik painter, watery paint. Here I, painting yes. Thank you.
Now the house is ready, the painting is ready, everything is ready. Oh my god! But during this construction time, there is lot of garbage and lot of wastage thrown out of the house. It was all the surrounding of the house. So first this has to be cleaned up, right? So uncle went to the BBMP office and he contacted them and asked them to come and clean it immediately. So they sent a sweeper, the BBMP worker, the sweeper, Mr. Kanish, to immediately get it cleaned. You know how Kanish did the work, cleaning work? Come on, let's see.
Hi everyone, I am Sweeper Ganesh. I help to clean the society. Please don't throw the garbage on the road. Sweep the dust. Keep the society clean. I collect the garbage and put it in the bin. Thank you.
Okay. Now Kanish did a great job. It's completely clean. And the house is ready for the party. Now uncle and auntie wanted to give a big party to all the relatives and their friends, and they wanted to invite everybody for the new house. So what they did, so when the guests are coming, of course we need to arrange for the food, correct? When the guests are coming, we need to arrange for the food. So they went to market and they regularly buy the vegetables from our grocery, from a very known grocery shop and a vegetable vendor, that is Mr. Arush. The vegetable vendor, Mr. Arush. So he is a regular vendor for this auntie and uncle, because he sells very fresh vegetables. So auntie and uncle went there to buy the vegetables. Let's see how our Arush is going to sell these vegetables.
Hello. What? You have onions?
Yes. Broccoli.
Wait. You have potato?
Yes.
I want 1/2 kilo potato.
And papaya.
Yes, 1 papaya.
Mommy.
Take it. I want 10 rupees. Okay. Oh, you have corn?
Yes.
Nice corn. You have drumstick. This is bridge guard.
You like
No.
Ready.
Okay. I want 1 corn and 2 drumsticks for sambar.
Yes, this one. That is.
So big. I want this. Okay. Take the money. you. I want 10 rupees change.
Change. Hello.
No, only 10 rupees. Okay, bye.
Hey, now uncle and auntie bought the fresh vegetables from Arush. While returning back home, they met with a small accident. And immediately they rushed to the nearby hospital. There the doctors were busy in a operation theater. So there was a nurse, the nurse named Aditi. She was the head nurse of the hospital, and she immediately came to attend the patient, and she did the first aid. Now let's see how she treated our patient and what she wants to say. Come on.
Hello everyone. I am a nurse Aditi. I work under a doctor. I check your temperature. Also, I record your blood pressure. I give injections. I help surgeons in surgery. I love to give good service. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now the nurse Aditi did the first aid to this uncle and auntie, and now the doctors come and visit them. There are 3 famous doctors in this hospital. Do you know? There are 3 famous doctors in this hospital. That is Dr. Jagrav, Dr. Sindhu, and our famous pediatrician Dr. Suryansh. Okay, so let's meet all the doctors one by one and see what they want to tell us. Let's see all the doctors one by one and see what they want to tell us. Come on.
Good morning, ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Jagrav. I study in Abbas Montessori in Montreal. I am a doctor. I work in hospital. I help you to stay healthy. And I give you medicines to cure your illness. Now I will give you tips to stay healthy and safe from corona. First, brush your teeth twice in a day. Wash your hands. Don't eat junk food. Eat healthy food. Wear mask when going outside. And social distance from each other. Do exercise. Early to bed, early to rise makes you healthy. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. And last but not the least, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. If you don't listen to me, I will give you injection. Thank you.
Dr. Suryansh, can we have your appointment, please?
Yes, I'm telling it. I am Dr. Suryansh again. Injection for everybody. And I'll check everybody with my thermometer. I'll also give you 1 spoon of medicine to make you better, but with a little cotton. And then some Dettol cotton, put Dettol and then cotton again. And then sanitize your hands. Then drink some medicine. And then
check with the thermometer. If you got a cold, if and let's check. If I did at 7, that means somebody got a cold. I think in the same mind, but this ingredient to make the better. The ingredient is that I need to put one bandage. Okay, done the bandage. Bye bye.
So all the doctors saw this uncle and auntie. It was a very simple accident. Nothing major happened. Our Suryan's doctor even tied the bandage to them and sent them home. Now uncle and auntie returned back home with the vegetables which they bought from the Arush. Correct? Now uncle and auntie thought the guests are so many are there. I mean there are too many. The list is too long. So how can we prepare the food by ourselves? No, we can't do it. So they immediately thought we should contact a good chef who does the delicious and the tasty yummy dishes, so that the guests also will be very happy. Correct? So they went and contacted the famous, very known, well-known chef in our community, that is Chef Krishna. That is Chef Krishna. And Krishna really does yummy and delicious food. Now let's see what Krishna wants to tell us and what he is doing for the party. Come on.
Hi everyone, I'm Krishna. I'm Chef Krishna. I'm working in hotels and restaurants. I cook yummy and healthy food. I usually wear white apron and hat to protect me from heat. These are my tools. When I cook, then I use this. Now I'm giving some advice to you. Before cooking, you wash your hands. Don't waste food because it takes so much time and effort. Today I make these things: rice, salad, papad, rice, curry, soup, noodles, gulab jamun. Bye bye everyone. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you. Krishna is doing a yummy and good job and his delicious food. Now the house, everything is ready. So when it's a new house, we have to do some puja for the new house, right? So uncle contact the pujari named Samyukta. Here he is.
Good morning everyone. Myself Samyukta Kaushik. I am priest. Thank you.
Good. Okay. Now everything is prepared for the party. The food is ready. The party should go on, right? So all the guests came. The party went on well. So all the guests returned back home also. And after that day night, uncle and auntie noticed there a valuable and expensive thing was missing. The expensive thing was missing after the party. So auntie and uncle got very tensed, and what they did was immediately went to the police station to give a complaint about their lost valuable thing. Okay, so they met an inspector Ashwik. There they met an inspector Ashwik and our inspector Bhuvan. So the inspectors told not to worry, we are there and we will take care and your thing will be got back. you will get back the things. So this is the assurance given by the police that not to worry. So let's meet our inspectors Bhuvan and our inspector Ashvik and see what they're going to say. Come on.
Yeah, this must be from Mitnungal. I say people catch fish. Hi friends, my name is Puan Kohal. My school name is Abhiyat Montessori. I'm UKG. I'm today police. I wear Rocky uniform. I protect all people. I catch the criminals and thieves. I have gun. I shoot the criminals and thieves. Jai Hind.
Yes, they told not to worry. Now things got solved. And after few days they got back their lost thing also. But suddenly after a few days there was a fire accident in the new house. There was a fire accident in uncle's house. So they dialed 101 for a fire station and they immediately called the fireman to come and check what happened and do the needful. So there was a fireman named Rianch and Shriyash who immediately came on spot on time, and immediately with their fire extinguishers and everything they set the things right and they did the needful to the auntie and uncle. Let's see what they're going to say for us.
I'm a fireman here. I rescue people if there is a fire. Hello everybody, my name is Rayan. Today I'm talking about firefighter. What do you do? There's a fire, small fire, extinguished. There's a big fire, which I call 101, and which I call I'll come and rescue. Job is very dangerous. I love my job. Thank you.
Round of applause for all these community helpers who help this uncle and auntie to overcome all the situations in their life. So children, now you might have noticed we contact so many people here. We met so many people here. We met the farmer, we met the teacher, we met the milkman, we met the sweeper, doctors, fireman, and we met the chef, all the people, correct? So apart from these, we do have tailors, we do have carpenters, plumbers, and we have so many community helpers, and we should all respect them and we should all give them respect and respect each and every profession, right? So let us all give a big round of applause for all the community helpers in our society who are doing the needful. So hope you understand who are the community helpers, how are they useful to us, when are they useful to us, and how we can take the help from them, right? Okay, hope you all understood and enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for listening.